2025 is shaping up to be a groundbreaking year for the firearms industry.
Smith & Wesson Model 686. The Smith & Wesson Model 686 has consistently been regarded as one of the best and top-rated .357 Magnum revolvers for several compelling reasons. The Model 686 revolver is a reliable and versatile firearm, built with a robust stainless steel frame, barrel, and cylinder, making it resistant to corrosion and wear. It is available in various barrel lengths, ranging from 2.5 inches to 8.375 inches, and is known for its accuracy due to its full-length underlug, which reduces muzzle flip and aids stability during firing. The revolver also features Smith & Wesson's renowned smooth trigger pull, ensuring consistent shooting performance. The 6-shot cylinder, or 7-shot in the Plus variant, provides reliable performance round after round, making it a trusted choice for self-defense and recreational use. Its simple design and high-quality materials make cleaning and maintenance straightforward, ensuring the revolver remains in peak condition for years. The stainless steel finish adds a sleek and professional appearance, appealing to collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate both function and form. The Model 686 has a trusted brand legacy, with a proven track record of reliable performance in the field and on the range. Customizable options include aftermarket grips, sights, and accessories, allowing owners to personalize their revolver to suit their preferences and shooting style. Ruger GP 100. The Ruger GP 100 is a standout .357 Magnum revolver for many reasons, and I included it on the list because of its reliability, build quality, and versatility. The Ruger GP 100 revolver is known for its durable build, featuring a solid steel frame and a triple locking cylinder mechanism for durability. It comes in various barrel lengths, making it suitable for various purposes, including concealed carry, self-defense, hunting, target shooting, and home defense. The GP 100 can also fire .38 special ammunition, providing a less expensive and less recoiling option for practice. The GP 100's user-friendly design includes a modular grip system that allows for easy swapping of grips without special tools. The rubberized construction with hardwood inserts provides comfort during extended shooting sessions and excellent recoil management. The heavy barrel and solid frame minimize recoil and muzzle rise, improving accuracy and faster follow-up shots. The fully adjustable rear sights and ramp-style front sight cater to both novice and experienced shooters. The GP 100's rugged design is less prone to mechanical failure, making it an excellent choice for self-defense or outdoor use. Its modular design makes maintenance easy, with no small parts or springs to lose. The heavy frame and ergonomic design significantly reduce felt recoil, making it more comfortable to shoot. Compared to other premium revolvers like the Colt Python or Smith & Wesson Model 686, the GP 100 offers outstanding quality at a more affordable price point. Its reputation for being a tank in the revolver world makes it a go-to choice for shooters seeking a reliable revolver for decades. Customization options include a wide range of aftermarket accessories, including grips, sights, and holsters, allowing owners to personalize their GP 100 to suit their preferences. Colt Python. The Colt Python, also known as the Rolls-Royce of revolvers, is a legendary firearm with its iconic ventilated rib barrel and full-length underlug. Its smooth trigger pull, consistent and crisp, contributes to better accuracy, especially for precision shooting. The Python's long barrel options, up to 6 inches, and excellent balance make it one of the most accurate revolvers in its class. The full underlug adds weight to the front, stabilizing the revolver and reducing recoil, making follow-up shots easier and more precise. The Python is built from high-grade stainless steel or carbon steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. It can handle high-volume shooting of powerful .357 Magnum rounds and lighter 38 special loads for practice, making it versatile and reliable. Its sleek lines, blued or stainless steel finishes, and distinctive barrel rib design make it a work of art that appeals to collectors and enthusiasts. Introduced in 1955, the Python quickly became a favorite among law enforcement, competitive shooters, and gun enthusiasts. After being discontinued in 2005, Colt reintroduced the Python in 2020 with modern manufacturing techniques while maintaining its classic appeal. The Python offers an exceptional shooting experience with its smooth trigger action, ergonomic grips, and recoil dampening weight. Available in barrel lengths from 3 inches to 6 inches, it caters to various needs, including concealed carry, hunting, hunting, target shooting, and range use. Colt Pythons, especially vintage models, hold their value exceptionally well and are highly sought after by collectors. Even modern iterations are considered investment-grade firearms due to their premium build and limited production. Smith & Wesson Model 627 Pro Series. The Model 627 Pro Series is a high-capacity premium build quality revolver designed by Smith & Wesson for durability and strength. It features an 8-shot cylinder, making it ideal for competitive shooting, self-defense, or recreational use. The revolver's stainless steel frame and cylinder ensure it can handle heavy .357 Magnum loads while maintaining reliability. The Pro Series includes enhanced performance features such as a precision-crowned barrel, chamfered charge holes, and custom trigger work. The 5-inch barrel balances accuracy with maneuverability, and the full underlug design dampens recoil and adds weight to the front. The adjustable rear sights and interchangeable gold bead front sight provide precise aiming for target shooting and hunting. The Model 627 Pro Series is compatible with .38 special ammunition, making it suitable for both high-power shooting and low-recoil practice sessions. Its modern, professional appearance is complemented by a matte stainless steel finish that resists corrosion. The ergonomic grips cater to a wide range of hand sizes, providing comfort and control during extended shooting sessions. Smith & Wesson's reputation for producing reliable and innovative revolvers is evident in the Model 627 Pro Series. Its combination of features makes it ideal for events like IDPA and USPSA matches. Additionally, its stainless steel construction simplifies cleaning and maintenance, ensuring consistent performance and excellent condition for years. Ruger SP101. The Ruger SP101 earned its place on the list because it offers an outstanding combination of compactness, strength, and reliability, making it a versatile choice for concealed carry, self-defense, and general-purpose use. The Ruger SP101 is a compact and concealed carry revolver designed for everyday personal defense and concealed carry. Its compact size allows it to handle full-power Magnum loads without compromising durability or performance. The SP101 is built with a solid stainless steel frame, providing excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. The recoil management feature includes a cushioned rubber grip with optional hardwood inserts, minimizing felt recoil and dampening the sharp recoil of .357 Magnum rounds for better control and accuracy. The SP101 is easy to use, suitable for both novice and experienced shooters. Its simple design ensures reliability, while the smooth double-action trigger provides a consistent pull. It also allows for single-action firing for lighter, crisper trigger pulls. The SP101 can chamber both .357 Magnum and .38 special rounds, making it suitable for various applications from self-defense to recreational shooting. Its robust design ensures consistent performance even under adverse conditions, making it a reliable choice for personal protection. User-friendly features include a triple locking cylinder for strength and alignment during firing, and a pinned front sight for easy replacement or upgrades. The Ruger SP101 offers excellent value for money, competitively priced compared to other high-quality compact revolvers while maintaining premium features and performance. Its ergonomic design and weight distribution make it comfortable to hold and shoot, especially for shooters with smaller hands or those who prioritize comfort. Ruger, a well-respected name in the firearms industry, is known for producing reliable, durable, and user-friendly firearms, reflecting their commitment to quality and innovation in revolver design. Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 586. The Performance Center line from Smith & Wesson offers a range of firearms, including the Model 586. This model boasts precision hand tuning and custom features designed for peak performance. These include refined trigger action, precision fit and finish, classic design with modern features, superior accuracy, versatility, durability, ergonomic grips, and refined aesthetic. The Model 586 is chambered in .357 Magnum and offers the flexibility to fire .38 special rounds, making it suitable for both powerful defensive loads and lighter practice ammunition. It is available in multiple barrel lengths, typically 4 or 6 inches, and is built on Smith & Wesson's L-frame for long-term use. Ergonomics is another key feature of the Model 586, providing excellent control and comfort during shooting. The high-gloss blued finish protects the revolver from wear and corrosion, while the polished wood grips make it a functional work of art. The Model 586 is highly desirable among firearm enthusiasts and collectors due to its blend of tradition and innovation. It is versatile enough for a wide range of applications, including target shooting, hunting, and self-defense. The longer barrel options and powerful .357 Magnum chambering make it suitable for small to medium-sized game, while its reliability and stopping power make it a trusted choice for personal protection. Smith & Wesson's reputation for quality and innovation further elevates the Model 586 with the Performance Center badge, a testament to the firearm's superior craftsmanship and attention to detail. Like and subscribe if you agree with my list for the day.